Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down SBA Communications' third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Starting with the financial performance, SBA reported solid domestic same-tower revenue growth of 5.3% on a gross basis and 2% on a net basis for Q3. The net growth includes 3.3% churn, with 2% related to Sprint consolidation. International same-tower recurring cash leasing revenue growth came in at 7.4% gross and 3.1% net, with Brazil showing strong performance at 6.5% gross organic growth. The company's services business had an impressive quarter with revenue up 23% from Q2 and gross profit increasing by 33%. This performance led SBA to raise their full-year outlook for services revenue and adjusted EBITDA. In a significant strategic move, SBA announced a major acquisition agreement with Millicom International Cellular, acquiring over 7,000 sites throughout Central America for approximately $975 million. This deal will make SBA the largest tower company in the region. The assets are expected to generate about $129 million in site leasing revenue and $89 million in tower cash flow during the first full year after closing. On the domestic front, SBA is seeing encouraging signs with increased carrier activity. New business executions were up from previous quarters, and there's a notable shift toward new lease locations rather than amendments to existing leases. The mix is now approximately 60% new leases versus amendments. The company made significant progress in managing its balance sheet through 3 capital markets transactions. Their leverage remains near historical lows at 6.4x net debt to adjusted EBITDA, and their $2 billion revolver is fully undrawn. The weighted average maturity of their debt is approximately 4 years, with an average interest rate of 3.2%. Looking ahead, SBA sees strong growth drivers including fixed wireless access, generative AI capabilities in handsets, regulatory build-out commitments, and ongoing 5G coverage expansion. The company remains focused on strategic market positioning, as evidenced by both the Millicom acquisition and their decision to exit the Philippines market, where achieving meaningful scale has proven challenging. The company also demonstrated strong operational resilience, particularly during recent hurricanes affecting the southeastern United States, with their sites showing minimal structural damage and quick recovery times. With solid Q3 performance, strategic acquisitions, and positive domestic leasing trends, SBA appears well-positioned for continued growth and market leadership in the tower infrastructure space. That wraps up our recap of SBA Communications' third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.